What's up, guys? This is Jake doing a quick review today on this large laundry basket you can see right here. Really good looking basket. I've liked this one a lot. If you ever wonder what it's for, it's got the name for it right there on the side, as you've obviously seen in the listing. So you can see here on the sides, so you can see the seam going down here. There's no writing on the opposite side, and then your seam here. So you can see that it collapses actually super well. So there are obviously clothes in it right now, which is making it keep its really good stance. And truthfully, that was one of the things I was worried about. I quote unquote like worried. How would it do when there was no laundry in it? Like, would it like fall over? Would it be too flimsy? That type of thing. It holds really well. And then obviously it holds even better once clothes are actually in it. But very simple. Like, you could fold this all the way down, and I mean, I could slip it under that and you can't even see space. Like, it is very little space. You could get it that low and slip it under there. Maybe a little bit of difficulty with it that small, but you could fit it under there. And then most surfaces is going to fit really well. So love how it's foldable. Really good laundry basket. If you're looking for one, pick this up, and I don't think you'll be disappointed.